Solved problems. Cash flow. Direct method. Problem. Prepare the statement of cash flows using the given information below. Use the direct method of presenting cash flows from operating activities. Unity Marketing has a cash balance of January 1, 2011 was 20,000. The following were the transactions that affected cash during the period. A. Collections from customers for the sale of goods 580,000. Cash receipt from loan obtained from a bank 180,000. Cash receipt from additional investment by owner 20,000. Payments to suppliers for the purchase of inventory 120,000. Payments for employee salaries 140,000. Payments for rent expense 70,000. Payments for utilities expense 20,000. Payment for acquisition of equipment 200,000. Cash disbursement for drawings by owner 60,000. Solution. Cash flow statement. Direct method. Particulars. Amount. Opening cash balance 20,000. Cash flow from operating activities. Collections from customers 580,000. Payments to suppliers for the purchase of inventory 120,000. Payment for employee salaries minus 140,000. Payment for rent expenses minus 70,000. Payment for utilities minus 20,000. Net cash from operating activities 230,000. Cash flow from investing activities. Payment for acquisition of equipment minus 200,000. Net cash from investing activities B minus 200,000. Cash flow from financing activities. Cash receipt from loan obtained from bank 180,000. Cash receipt from additional investment by owner 20,000. Cash disbursement for drawings by owner minus 60,000. Net cash from financing activities 140,000. Add net cash flow during the year A plus B plus C 170,000. Ending cash balance 190,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.